Hello guys, there we have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA, and today I will show you how you can change the language of this device. In the first step, turn on your device. In the second step, give me a few seconds to skip everything. Okay, thank you about that. Now, click on the function button and hold it for the 3 seconds. One more time. Now we are in the system functions. Then turn the dial to the right side. There you have a language. Click on the O and select your new language. To apply anyone, click on the O button when you select it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.